Hello guys, this is a new integrated amplifier from Mission 778X is the name. It comes back after 45 years. This classic, let's say, but revival integrated amplifier. We see the face here, the remote control. It has headphone input. Here is the selector of the inputs. You see how many inputs has: USB, Bluetooth, optical, coaxial, analog inputs, even a phone stage, and there is the potentiometer that we control the level of the sound with LED indications around. So it's very well finished. This smaller remote control. The amplifier is in a compact form, has a but has a long depth on the back, aluminum all over, even the case. Here we see the inputs, two analogs, the Bluetooth antenna, the phono, and we have a pre-out to connect the power amplifier if we like. So we have as well optical and coaxial outputs, and two optical inputs, one coaxial input, USB DAC there, and the USBs for updates. So two terminals for the speakers, and on-off button switcher, mechanical one for the power. So it's very well implemented. This amplifier has 65 watts at 4 ohm. Here is at 8 ohm. I measure 43, 44 watts at 1% THD. Here we will see the inside world of the amplifier. Toroidal transformer, of course. For the power stage, there is a switching power supply as well for the Bluetooth and the digital section, let's say. Two capacitors there. Here we see the regulators. It's a lot of IC inside. We have no discrete stages, let's say. This is the Bluetooth one. Here is the XMOS for the USB DAC, and this LM, let's say, ICs that provides the power, the capacitor for 15,000 microfarads, two of them, and this is the ESS technology, the chipset for the DAC. It was ES9018K2M. So it's very well executed. It's a neat inside. That's all I think. Thanks for watching. See you next time.